Welcome back to Visual Novel English Xpedition. Japanator Gamer here. And last time, the Senshi had their special training. Makoto was able to unleash a more powerful Supreme Thunder Dragon attack. And we found out Nephrite is back. Ooh, sorry about the gap between episodes here. I had some stuff in real life I had to take care of, but I am back now. So, without further ado, let us continue on our journey here. It's true, really. I got a call from Naru. I can't believe it. Nephrite died. You saw it too, right, Usagi? There's the possibility that it's a fake. It's also odd to hear that a dead person is alive. Well, wait a second. Why does it have to be like that? Nephrite risked his life to escape from the enemies. To tell me they're after the silver crystal. And even if he was a fake, there's no way he'd be able to fool Naru. Hey, Mako and Minako, what do you think? Well, I haven't actually met that Nephrite, so I have no idea what kind of person he is. First of all, what's the new enemy that he escaped from? Like I said, I don't really know, but it's after the silver crystal. And Queen Beryl is planning to resurrect the Dark Kingdom. So Nephrite's in quite the pinch. In other words, there's a new thing after the silver crystal. And it's planning to resurrect Queen Beryl and the Stenno to make them its followers. And the Stenno are like the four kings of the Dark Kingdom. As of now, its form is unknown. What it plans to do with the silver crystal is also unknown. Nephrite, who knows Usagi is Sailor Moon, promptly tried to tell her by escaping the organization at the risk of his own life. And there's still the matter of Naru, so hasn't Nephrite changed enough? Is what Usagi wants to say. Yep, that's right! That's amazing, Luna. You really understood her.
まあ付き合いが長いからね。
Well, we have been together for quite a while.
とにかく話ができすぎているわ。信用できない。
Anyways, you're talking too much. I still can't trust him.
レイちゃん。
Ray!
どっちにしてもその人は今ナルちゃんのところにいるんでしょ。
Either way, that person is at Naru's right now, right?
敵が連れ戻しに来るかもしれないし、万一に備えて見張りが必要ね。
The enemy may come to take him back, so we need to be on guard.
もういい。
That's enough!
ウサギちゃん。
Usagi!
まったく単純なんだから。
Ah, she's so simple.
でもそこがウサギちゃんのいいところだと思うわ。
But I think that's one of Usagi's good points. Here we can respond, think, or agree. I think we should respond. But isn't it dangerous to her to be so trusting in people? What does she plan to do if it's actually a trap? Ray.
そうね。私もウサギちゃんみたいに素直に信じてみたい。
Yeah, I guess. I want to try believing in him just like Usagi does.
ところでそのネフライトってどんな人だった？
Speaking of which, what kind of person was Nephrite?
ネフライトはダークキングダムの四天王の一人。
Nephrite is one of the 4 Stenno of the Dark Kingdom.
星の動きから一人の人間の一生で一番エナジーが高まる時を読んで、
From the movement of stars, he tried to gather people's energy when they were at their peak of energy.
効率よくエナジーを集めようとしていたの。でもナルちゃんとの出会いが彼を変えたわ。
However, he changed when he met Naru.
ナルちゃんの一途な思いに応えるように、
To be able to answer Naru's earnest feelings.
彼は人間として人を愛する心を知った。
He understood the heart of a loving human.
そして最後はナルちゃんを助けるために命を落としたのよ。
And, in the end, he gave his life in order to protect Naru.
かわいそう。
I feel sorry for him.
人間としての心に目覚めるのはあまりにも遅すぎたのね。
Being awakened to the human heart ended up being too late, huh?
ウサギちゃんの気持ちわかるような気がする。
I get the feeling I understand how Usagi feels now.
ルナとアルテミスの言ってた怪しい影もこれと何か関係があるのかしら。
The suspicious shadow that Luna and Artemis mentioned, I wonder if that's related to this at all. So you can speak, ask, or think. Let's ask.
わからないな。でもとにかく何かが起こりつつあるということだけは確実に言えると思う。
I'm not sure, but for the time being, I think I can say for certain this is the start of something.
みんなちょっとしたことでも気をつけて。
Everyone, be careful of even tiny things.
ウサギはあれでいいのよ。頭から信じて。
It's good for Usagi to be being like that, believing from the head.
だってあの子は私たちだわ。
After all, that kid is...
レイちゃん。
Hey,
ごめん、なんでもない。
Sorry, it's nothing.
私戻らなきゃおじいちゃんに怒られちゃう。
I've got to go. My grandfather will get angry at me. Alright, that concludes this episode of Visual Novel English Xpedition, Bishoujo Senshi Sailor Moon for the PC Engine. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I can stick with a consistent upload schedule from here on out. Sorry about the delay again, and hopefully the flow will continue to get better as I get back into the swing of things. So hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.